Good morning, and today we're going to go over bindings in WPF. There are 3 different types, and I will show them all to you. But I created this little application to help. Essentially, to create a binding, you bind to the property of the object, and you say binding, and you specify what you want to bind to. So you see the property name that we're binding to is one way to source here. And then you can add other properties such as mode, which is one way to source in this case because, well, that's what we're trying to show. And down here, this is, well, in text boxes, they're actually by default. In text boxes, they're actually two-way by default, but I did set them here just to show it. So okay, I will add a link in the description to the GitHub repository for this. So let's get on to it. There are 3 different types of bindings. There's one way, two-way, and one way to source. You can see here in one way, when I set the view model property, it actually sets the control property. But if I set the control property, it does not set the view model property. And that's because it's one way from the view model to the control. Now two-way, that means we can go from the control to the view model or from the view model to the control. So hello, and we can say world. Now one way to source, I had a little trouble representing this because I'm setting the control property and it's tough to show there. So essentially what I did, you cannot set the control property from the view model. You can set the view model from the control property. So I can say hello world, but I cannot set it from here. So that's the reason why this is read only, because you cannot set the property from the view model to the control. But if I do here, we can. So one way is from the view model to the control. Two-way is from the view model to the control, or from the control to the view model. One way to source is from control to view model. And we should probably say from view model to control. And we can say both here. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and hit like and subscribe if you like this. Thank you.